that is the place. That alignment which is coming like this. See, there is no barricade like that. Anybody can go. To some places, how that bus comes. And people jump. Now the bus is coming. See, so this bus also, where he is standing, he should be here. This bus stand is here. First one किधर घातला पर्यंत. तो हुई रावता, कसे रावता. तो आगातल्या सिग्नलला कसे होईत तो आता. या का? हाय, येते.
सरपंच काल रात्री हांगा एक एक्सिडेंट जालो आनी एक 54 वर्साचो मनीस मेलो. दिस इज बिकमिंग एक्सिडेंट
काल एक बरो मनीस मेलो एक एक्सिडेंट. Both the vehicles got hit and one person died on the spot at around 9:30 to 10 o'clock PM. हांगा प्रायवेट बसियो आनी टॅक्सी कार जंप करून वयता सिग्नल पाळना. देर इज नो इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ रूल. सगळे जंप करून वयता. हे MES कॉलेजाक वयता ते रोडाक पार्किंग नो पार्किंग झोनानूय पार्किंग चालू आसा आनी जे बस स्टँड आसा ते बस रावना आनी हूंय रावता बस. ते पळय बस खंय रावल्या ते बस हूंयसून हूंय वयता. कितेंय चालू आसा. आतां कोण हांगातले अथॉरिटी आहा ताका रिक्वेस्ट करता बेगीनचो बेगीन हांगा दखल घेवन सगळ्यांक न्याय दिवपाचें. आनी नॅशनल अथॉरिटीक उलोवंक मारता कित्याक हांगाय एक बरें सर्कल जाय सगळ्यांक वचपा येवपाक आनी ओवरब्रीज जाल्यार आनी बरें आहा. गव्हर्मेंटाक हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता CM सावंत साहेबाक दॅट ही शूड टेक action on this issue.
A lot of accidents are taking place here. As a former Sarpanch of panchayat, resident of this area, even in this road, internal road, lot of heavy vehicles are moving. Is it allowed to move?
No, heavy only there are water tankers are moving which are not supposed to be moved. I think some influenced person is, I am seeing that he is very influenced. All water tankers are moving on the objection of the people of this area. So that also need to be taken. Some action should be initiated on those tankers. The rest other heavy vehicles are moving towards the building in other direction. So that is also one problem. There are many issues. I think government should immediately take action and traffic police should be put here from morning to evening and monitor the traffic flow. And whoever is jumping the signal need to be put fine so that they don't repeat this again.
Here some small businesses are going on.
Here some illegal, if you can see this card, there are many trucks are parked and this highway is, there are some repair works, there are truck parked, container parked, cranes are parked illegally. I have written so many letters to collector, SP, South Traffic, still there is no any action. I request the government to take action on these people. I think these kiosks, small, they are doing business illegally which need to be stopped. And parking should be provided to the parking people because business area is this, and do proper things.
There was a long pending demand for a service road in this area. Is it fulfilled?
No, actually National Highway rules says that the residents which are staying nearby should have a service road being provided. There is no service road still provided as per the National Highway rules. We demand to provide a National Highway rules to be applicable for this, since this is NH Highway B. So request the government interference and National Highway authorities and traffic police, please do interfere and give the justice to this area.